In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the workspace feature in Google Drive. Google Drive is a convenient tool that helps you stay organized by allowing you to store, share, and collaborate on files from anywhere. To get started, first, navigate to your dashboard and find the Google Apps icon. It's usually represented by a grid or square of dots near the top right corner of your browser window. Click on this icon and then locate the Drive option. Clicking on it will take you to your Google Drive. Now, here's an important note. If your account has not been fully verified or set up, you might encounter limitations while trying to access all the features. If that's your situation, don't worry. Just follow along with my instructions and you'll be well prepared once your account is fully functional. Once you're in Google Drive, you should see a menu or button labeled Workspaces. This is where you'll be able to create and manage different work environments for various projects or teams. Click on Workspaces to proceed. Here, you'll have the option to create a new workspace. Clicking on Create Workspace will prompt a dialog box where you'll be asked to name your new workspace. Choose a name that clearly represents the purpose or project associated with it. This helps keep things organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple workspaces. After entering a name, simply click on the Create button to finalize the creation of your workspace. Creating and managing multiple workspaces can greatly enhance your productivity by allowing easy access to related files and folders for specific tasks. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary to add additional workspaces, tailoring each to different aspects of your work or personal interests. Remember, organizing your digital workspace similarly to how you might organize a physical desk can lead to greater efficiency and a more streamlined workflow. If you make a mistake or if your project needs change names later on, don't worry. You can always go back, edit the name, or delete a workspace if it's no longer needed. By following these simple steps, you will have a functional workspace on Google Drive, enabling better organization and collaboration on your projects. Explore this feature, utilize it to differentiate between tasks, and share access with colleagues if necessary. Taking full advantage of the Workspaces feature can make managing your documents and projects a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in organizing your Google Drive with Workspaces. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Happy organizing!